there, car lovers. Grab your keys, buckle up, and let's take a ride to a scoop on the all-new 2026 Volkswagen T-Roc. Coming at us with sharper looks, zippier power, and a fresh vibe that's hard to ignore. So first off, check out that bold new styling. Volkswagen's taking cues from the Tiguan to level up the T-Roc's attitude. Up front, it's all big grille with hexagon-shaped cutouts, sharp intakes, and sleek LED headlights bridged by a glowing light bar. It's modern, energetic, and feels a bit more premium than before. From the side, it gains a longer front overhang, smoother curves, and new two-tone black and silver wheels that catch the light just right. That signature thick-seat pillar is still there, giving it that sporty, coupe-like silhouette. Out back, expect new taillights, a light bar, and a reworked tailgate and bumper that brings serious visual punch. Underneath, it's built on VW's MQB Evo platform, the same one used for the updated Golf MK 8.5. So it's stiffer, more agile, and ready for the electrified mix. And yes, hybrid fans, this T-Roc is stepping into the future with hybrid options, including mild hybrid, full hybrid, and even a plug-in hybrid version in the works. In fact, VW's hybrid system is expected to pair a 1.5-liter turbo petrol engine with an electric motor, delivering around 150 kilowatts with around 350 newton meters, and potentially going as high as 200 kilowatts and 400 newton meters in stronger versions. These power figures really bring it up a notch. But wait, there's more for performance fans. Rumors swirl around a T-Roc R variant, likely packing a 2.0-liter turbo for something closer to 195 kilowatts, offering that extra edge for anyone craving more oomph. Inside, while official photos are still under wraps, whispers and spy reports suggest a major tech boost. Think sleek, minimal dashboards with large infotainment screens, 10.4-inch on base trims, up to 12.9-inch higher up, and mood lighting, smart digital cockpits, and that VW modern touch experience. Now, pricing. VW hasn't nailed it down yet, but given where the T-Roc sits between the smaller T-Cross and larger Tiguan, expect competitive pricing. In the UK, watch for numbers around £30,000, especially for hybrid variants that are in Australia and Europe. It should fall into that sweet spot bracket that made the original such a hit. Let's talk legacy for a second. The first-gen T-Roc was a breakout star, compact enough for city life, but roomy and confident. Now, this new version builds on that success, scattering in sharper looks, better tech, and greener power. It's still the playful crossover we love, but with clearer muscle and a smarter vibe. All in all, the 2026 T-Roc is shaping up to be a seriously smart update. Its looks are sharper, its tech is sleeker, and with hybrids in the engine lineup, it's finally stepping boldly into the future. Whether you're drawn by the spirited styling, the efficiency boost, or the modern tech, this one's got plenty to get excited about. So there you have it. Your lowdown on the 2026 Volkswagen T-Roc. Smooth, enthusiastic, and ready for the next adventure. Thanks for riding shotgun with me today. If you're as stoked as I am, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned as we dig deeper once VW drops all the details and actual driving impressions. Safe travels, and see you in the next one.